Today, by this chance, we would like to introduce or recommend some of our best seller. Okay, this is
wow.
We call the A-type mesh turbo brake. You can
let me zoom for
yes,
you.
Yes.
Yes, for friends.
Yeah. This is a basic design or the most popular style in the market, especially in, I think every market needs it.
Yes.
Of course, we can produce from size 4-inch or 100mm until 14-inch. That is 350mm. Yeah, for different kind of machines and the different markets. This quality is very medium and very stable. I have been supplying this product to European market for I think more than 6 years.
Wow.
There's no quality complaints for our customers.
And as our friend can see, you can see here the outlook, the treatment.
Yeah.
We provide this.
Yeah, of course. We can print. We can help you design.
Yes.
Your package or put your logo and make a very good looking design for you. It's free for service.
This is what we provide OEM systems.
Yeah, yes. And also, Americo is also very low.
The same low.
Yes, I think even for this kind of print, 100 pieces is also workable.
Wow, so low.
So it's also very good for someone. He just start his business or he start this new product.
We can start with my own logo, right?
Of course,
wow.
As you wish. Or even you can paint any painting as you wish, like art.
Wow.
Yes.
Which it will bring too much to us.
Yes, yes. So this is another kind of, these are similar, just a different pattern of the rim. You can show to the
Let me show
friends on our website.
Hello.
Yes.
Please have check here with the zoom camera.
Yeah.
And this one you can see is for the A turbo and this one for the K turbo.
K turbo, yes.
Yes.
Which one do you like?
I like A turbo.
What?
I like A turbo.
A turbo, why?
Sure. Because this is more classic and when I use them, it's more useful for me.
Okay.
Yes.
And there are also some, the thin turbo brakes are also very popular in the market. This is a very popular design for cutting the tiles. You can show to customers.
Yes, you can see it.
It's also a very traditional or popular style in the market. The quality level is similar. Yeah.
Wow. But as I said before with Martin, you can see the customizing on the core.
Yeah.
This one is more lighter, and this one is put by UV.
Yeah.
Right. And we can provide as you requested.
Yeah.
So move first, Texas.
Yeah. Okay. And next, I like, as I tell you that this is a medium quality, right?
Wow.
We have a premium quality.
Well, they are
super thin turbo.
They are just medium quality.
Yeah, just medium.
Amazing. We had high quality more.
Yeah. You can compare with, it's much thinner than the regular one.
Okay, let me show to our friends.
Yeah.
This is the premium quality.
Yes.
Okay, you can see the segments.
Yeah.
To make comparison.
Yeah. But we use better quality for the steel core and better quality for the formula of the rim. So even it's much thinner than the regular one, but it's much more stronger than the medium quality. So it can cut even very hard porcelain, grace, even Decton, some sintered slabs in the market.
Yes. So, and as you can see by our design, here we provide normally the basic for the safety mark. Yes, with your logo after you want by customizing with a work arrow here, the sizes. This is all component for you.
Could you imagine that we sell this premium line much better than the medium line?
Sure.
Because time is very precise, or the materials in European market is very expensive.
Yes.
People prefer to use a very good quality diamond saw brake to save them time and save their money.
Sure. Right? I like now this one.
Yeah.
This one was cutting like butter.
Okay.
Then now we have arrived time.
Yes, okay. As I tell you, the MOQ and it's very low, and we can also make a very nice package. It's also a free service for you. For you, we can help you design.
What's the MOQ to this?
I think 100 million pieces also okay.
Only 100.
Yes.
By others, they give you 500 for this.
Yeah. But we wish we can help you to
develop your
develop in the market, and we can make some successful business together, right?
We want to be your partner in
to
only business with you.
Yes.
Okay, then we had our time is arriving, right?
Okay, next time. Okay, if you like our live streaming, just wait for the next time.
The best gift will all come to the final.
Yeah. Okay, see you later.
Okay, thanks Martin, and thanks
Key. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.